Hi, this is Travis from Tenno Farms, and I'm out checking up on my grapevines today. Just kind of see how they're doing. It looks like they're growing pretty good here. Still not reached up to the pole yet. They may not do that the first year, but I've already got it here in case they do. This one is a Concorde grape here, so it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna have to start training it over this direction though to get it to come this way. I'm gonna check out this next one here. Over here, this is a Canadice grape. Yeah, that one's coming up. It's starting to reach here a little bit. That looks like it's pretty healthy. It's growing right toward the post, so that's good. And this one over here is a Himrod grape. This one hasn't been doing as much. Got a few leaves at first, and then something keeps eating them. I don't know, must taste good. There's part of a leaf there. So these are white grapes. The Concorde are dark, like purple grapes, and the Canadice are red grapes. This is another Concorde here. This one looks like it's doing pretty well. Yeah, looks definitely healthy. So I think that one will make it up here and do pretty well. I'll walk over to the arbor here and see how the grapes that I've had for a while are doing. So yeah, these are looking pretty healthy. I probably actually need to trim these some. They're kind of really getting overgrown into each other. It's probably hurting my production. These are Scuppernong grapes here on the left, which is a kind of a white grape with a gold blush to it. They're seeded grapes. The ones that I showed a second ago are supposed to be seedless, but we'll see. Most of the time when I get ones that say they're seedless, they still have seeds in them. See if we actually have any grapes coming on in here. Yeah, there's some right up there. So right now they're still green, they're little, but they'll turn kind of a goldish color when they're ready. Some more right there. And on the back side here, they're Concordes. I don't usually get too many Concordes. You can see a few small ones up here. Got a lot of raspberries growing up in here. But I love the way the grapes grow across the top of the arbor here. I built this pergola just for these grapes. And you can see it made an entire roof of grapes across here. So you can sit under here and enjoy the shade in the summertime. Grapevines are a lot of fun. Even if you don't do anything with them, they'll find a way to grow. They've made it all the way across the top here. Very thick. Looks like the Japanese beetles are kind of getting into my leaves here though. See how they chew them up like that. But I like grapevines. Thanks for watching.